Vietnam is fast becoming one of Asia's most sought-after destinations for dental care, and there's a good reason why. At Elite Dental, we combine world-class expertise, digital technology, and a passion for long-lasting results, all with the warmth and hospitality Vietnam is known for. Dental implant is one of the most effective and durable ways to restore missing teeth. But it's not just about putting in a screw. It's about precision, planning, and most importantly, long-term health. Meet Dr. Phuc, who will walk you through the entire implant journey, from initial screenings to the final restoration. Wondering how long it takes and what it costs? Let's find out together.
Hi, I'm Dr. Trần Châu Bảo Phúc from Elite Dental. Today, I will walk you through how we perform an implant procedure step by step right here at our clinic in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Step 1. You will be welcome at our clinic for 3D imaging and digital planning. First, we begin with a 3D scan using convex CT technology. This allows us to assess your bone structure, the basin for implant placement, and nearby anatomical features like noses and sinuses. At Elite Dental, all implant plans are done digitally using advanced software, including AI-guided navigation, which helps us simulate the implant position before surgery with millimeter precision. Step 2. You will have a face-to-face consultation with the implant doctor. In this step, you will meet with your implant doctor. This is the key step where we discuss the treatment plan tailored to your case, whether you need bone grafting, soft tissue wraps, or immediate loading. With many years of clinical experience and a large number of successful implant cases at Elite Dental, our doctor can quickly assess your situation and provide clear, personalized explanations that help you understand every aspect of your treatment. We also walk you through the estimated timeline, healing periods, and all associated costs clearly and transparently. We believe that trust begins with clear communication. Step 3. On the second time you come to our clinic, the doctor will perform implant placement and put on temporary tooth for you. Once your treatment plan is finalized, you will move on to the surgical phase. At Elite Dental, this is done in a dedicated surgical room designed to meet international sterilization standards, helping minimize any risk of cross-contamination. To enhance your comfort, we use advanced band management and healing technology, including band-free anesthesia and laser therapies to reduce both operative swelling and discomfort. What truly sets us apart is our AI-guided navigation system. Thanks to its real-time tracking, the doctor can adjust each screw position with flexibility, increasing overall accuracy and improving long-term implant success, especially in complex full-arch restorations. It also helps shorten chair time and ensure a smoother, more comfortable surgical experience. Also, in this step, in many cases, you may receive a temporary restoration on the same day, allowing you to live with a confident mind and the ability to enjoy life meals while healing. Step 4. Prosthetic impression and final smile design. Once your implant has integrated successfully, it's time to design your final smile. At this stage, our highly experienced prosthodontists will take impression to create your permanent restoration. But unlike traditional dental clinics, Elite Dental uses BIC camera system, one of the most advanced technology available for implant impressions. What's the difference between the digital compared to the traditional methods? In traditional methods, impression materials is placed in a tray and insert into your mouth for several minutes, which can be uncomfortable. At Elite, with the digital system, include the BIC machine and the intraoral machine, there's no messy material, just a quick non-invasive scan that captures precise 3D data of your implant position. In many cases, the final teeth can be delivered as fast as 7 to 10 days after surgery, and all restorations are customized to match your smile, your face, and your reference. With premium implant choice, digital precision, and over 12 years of seamless implant experiences, we are here to help you restore your smile in a way that's comfortable, efficient, and affordable. If you are thinking about dental implants in Vietnam, contact us today. We offer free online consultation to help you plan ahead.